Imagine living just a short drive away from downtown Whimberley, Texas, where there's unique shopping, amazing dining, art on display all over town, and there's even a natural swimming hole in the downtown district. This is all just a short 10-minute drive to our newest listing with exclusive access to the Blanco River. Let's take a look. Welcome to 1005 Ridge Oak Drive. This custom-built, barely lived-in home sits on close to an acre that is covered with these Texas live oak trees. They are beautiful, right? This community even has private access to the Blanco River. We'll talk about that more in a few minutes, but first, let's take a look inside. And I'm right inside the front door here. This house is 2,850 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, with plenty of designer touches throughout. Let's take a look at the kitchen first. Quartz countertops in this kitchen, sleek black cabinets with this beautiful gold hardware. You can see the island is massive with drawer storage, and these drawers are soft close drawers and cabinets. The kitchen sink looks out to the backyard with the beautiful oak trees. What a view when you're doing your dishes. Let's take a look. Let's go on a quick video tour throughout the rest of the house. And the most unique amenity to owning this home would be this, the private, exclusive community access that you have to this point on the Blanco River. And I'm told that's pretty special. This neighborhood is called River Oaks because there are no other public community access points to the Blanco River in this area. And all of this for an extremely low HOA fee of $60 per year. You move in here, you get this. This is the key card access to this gorgeous community park. You can kayak, you can fish, swim. The water looks really clear and clean. You can play all around here at the Blanco River. It happens to be cool today, but once the weather heats up in Texas, this is an amenity that makes this property truly stand out above the rest. Another attractive feature if you're interested in this property, the tax rate is very low. It's 1.69%. And if you know anything about property taxes in Texas, you know that that is a fantastic rate. Now, let me take you to downtown Whimberley. Whimberley is considered an art enclave deep in the heart of Texas. Right here in Whimberley, we're about 45 minutes from downtown Austin. Now, if you look around town in Whimberley, you can't miss these fiberglass cowboy boots that are 6 feet tall. They are scattered throughout town. A local arts and cultural alliance teamed up with artists in the area a decade ago to create what they call Bootyful Whimberley. Plan a trip here, pick up a boot trail map at the Whimberley Visitor Center. There are about 50 boots around town with a plan to add more. The shopping is great here. There are one-of-a-kind shops, souvenirs, vintage finds, Western wear. You could take up the entire afternoon shopping in Whimberley Square. And right around the corner from downtown Whimberley is the Blue Hole. Now, the Blue Hole is a natural, spring-fed swimming hole that is just gorgeous on Cypress Creek. We're not actually at the Blue Hole right now. We're on Cypress Creek, as you can see behind me, but the Blue Hole is just a little bit up the creek that way. That's because you need reservations to go there, and it's open during the hotter months. So right now, it's a little bit cooler, but we are on Cypress Creek, and as you can see, this is a beautiful area lined with those iconic cypress trees. And right here in downtown Whimberley. My name is Missy Harris. I'm a real estate agent here in the Austin, Texas area, and I would love to chat with you. Feel free to reach out. My contact information is on this channel below. Please like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.